Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fade out in Alight Motion. To create a fade out effect in Alight Motion, you can apply this effect to your video. Here's how to do it step by step. Firstly, launch Alight Motion. Tap the plus icon to create a new project. Set the aspect ratio, resolution, and frame rate. Then tap Create Project. Tap the plus icon at the bottom right. Tap on Media. Then choose a media to import the video, image, or other media that you want to apply the fade out effect to. The selected media will appear on the timeline. Now tap the video in the timeline to highlight it. Tap on the Effects button at the bottom. Tap the plus or odd effect and go to the Opacity and Visibility section. Choose Opacity, then choose the preferred opacity option. So for me, I choose Fade In or Out. Then tap on Standard Settings. Now, and here, if you want to include the fade-in, you can stay on this preset. If not, just adjust the in to 0 seconds. You can adjust the preferred duration for the fade out, but I'll stay on this preset. Once you are satisfied, tap the play button to preview your fade out effect. Then just tap on the empty space. And once you're happy with the fade out effect, tap the export icon at the top right corner. Choose your desired export settings, for example, resolution, quality, and save the video to your device. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a smooth fade out effect in Alight Motion. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.